What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new around here, my name's Sam Clark and you're watching One Life Cars, a channel where I show you guys how to fix your cars. You can request your own tutorials or just find one of my videos that are already up. There's plenty of them on a few different vehicles now. I want to take this time now to announce I'm doing a 2,000 subscriber giveaway. So when I hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm going to use a random number generator to pick a random subscriber out of the 2,000 and you will win I'm thinking like a gift card for Halfords Euro Car Parts, you know, a car related prize for sure. I'm not going to do the 2,000 subscriber wins because it's a bit unfair, I think, and the chances of you being that one person, and it's hard for me to actually know which one was exactly the 2,000 subscribers. So when it's 2,000 subs, which isn't far off, we're not far at all, 400 and something away, I will pick one of you guys that are subscribed for this random draw, and you know, it's a genuine thing. There will be a winner. I will announce it on the channel, and you know, if you want to even be part of it, maybe send me a little video message if you win, to sort of make the point to everyone else that it's a genuine competition. So guys, back to the video. Today you join me on the inside of the Vauxhall Corsa C for a dead simple one. I'll be honest with you, I just wanted to announce the giveaway more than anything, but we're going to do a tutorial as well, of course. I'm going to show you guys how to change the interior light bulb on the Vauxhall Corsa C. Dead easy job. You only need one tool to get it. Most of you might already know, but it is annoying when your interior light bulb goes and, you know, if you don't know how to get to it, this is how. So stay tuned, we'll flip the camera on and I'll show you guys that. But just to recap, guys, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and be in a chance to win a car gift voucher probably in the next couple of weeks, because we're going to hit 2,000 soon. Anyway, let's crack on with the video. Alright guys, back in the Corsa. So dead simple on this, your interior light. For those of you who don't know, this just pops off. It's quite simple, but I thought I'd show you anyway. It's definitely something you can do yourself at home. You don't need to pay Halfords to change a bulb for you. So all you're going to need is a flat screwdriver like I've got here. It's a small one, and if you look very closely you'll see there's little divots in each side of the light, or just one side of the light, get that right. So you're going to stick your flat screwdriver in said divot nice and gently so you don't damage anything, and just very gently pop it out like so. Put that somewhere safe. Now I'll give the inside of that a clean sweep because they do get full of dust and crap, and obviously it'll make the light seem dimmer. Revealing two bulbs. Well, there's actually 4 bulb holders, so this is interesting. It might turn out that all this time I've not had as much light as I could have had. I'm not sure if those are actually used, as it seems like there's 4 bulb holes. There's 2 there that you can see. Sorry about the quality, I'm using a slightly different camera today and it's not the best in the world. So, let's get your bulb out. You're simply going to grip onto it nice and gently so you don't break. Right, we've managed to get one out, as you can see here. Just sort of a little, very basic bulb. You might have seen these in like Halfords and places. You get loads of different types. You can get LED ones as well. You're going to be tempted to change it for a white LED one, but from experience, they sometimes don't work properly, the LEDs in older cars. But I've had some that work, some that don't, so you might just want to go for a standard bulb like this, but the sort of the best, brightest one you can get. They're only a few quid. So at this point you've got your new bulb, and to put it in, you're just going to line up the flat bit of the bulb there with the prongs you can see in there, and simply pop it in and push up and it'll clip straight in. As for getting the old ones out, as you'll see me struggling in that last clip, what I ended up doing was sticking a flat screwdriver very gently in there like that, and sort of prising it as I pull down on the bulb quite hard with one hand. They feel dead tight at first, but in fact I'm saying just a little tiny prise, and then I managed to pull it out with my hand, and that's the other one out. There isn't 4 bulbs. What it probably is like in some different specs maybe there is, because there's no electricals. As you can see in that one, you've got the silver bits that the bulb connects to, but those 2 at the top there are just empty holes, so they must be used in different models. So it's just the 2 bulbs, the low ones on this, the Corsa C. So yeah, I'm going to place this one back in like so. Double check they work. There we go, that's them working. And now to put your cover back on, like I say, give it a good clean so it shines nice and bright. You're simply going to line up the little prongs on the cover with these little 4 holes here, and there's some at the top somewhere. There you go, like so. But put the cover the right way around, that would help. Oh no, it's the little holes in there, yeah, those ones. That was right the first time. Line them up and simply clip it back in. And that's your interior light bulbs, should I say, replaced. For those of you who just caught my reflection in the mirror in the girly phone case, it's not mine. So guys, that is how to remove and replace the interior light bulbs on the Vauxhall Corsa. See, a dead simple, easy job for you. Something you can all do yourselves at home. Another tip too for the bulbs, Halfers are the easiest to just run and grab some off the shelf, but if you order bulbs off Amazon or something like that, it's a lot cheaper if you can wait, so do that. But yeah, just a reminder, if you're new around here and you like this channel, you like this sort of car content, these tutorials, hit that subscribe button and be part of the giveaway when we hit 2,000 subs. Obviously, the more you subscribe, the quicker we hit 2,000 subs, the quicker I do the giveaway and we move on towards the next one, which probably will be 5,000. So let's make it happen, guys. Hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. But other than that, thank you for watching. And until next time, my name's Sam Clark. You're watching One Life Cars. Peace.